All Saints' Day is one of the most important of the church's festivals. Now, you might think you've never heard of it before, but I bet that you have. The other name for All Saints' Day is All Hallows' Day, and the night before All Hallows' Day is called All Hallows' Eve, or Halloween. Now, the really important day in the church's year is All Saints' Day. And All Saints' Day is the day when we celebrate all those people who are particularly holy, the people whose lives inspire us because they followed God so well, so thoughtfully and so carefully. And historically in the church, when they celebrated All Saints' Day, they also celebrated the night before the opposite of the saints, the ghosts and the ghouls and the evil things who came out and frightened people. But the church has always focused much more on the saints, on those people whose lives inspire us. And still today, we celebrate All Saints. Every year, I like to have a think about those people whose lives have especially inspired me in my life of faith. Now, there are some hugely important and famous people, and there's quite a chance that your school is named after a saint, somebody who was particularly important in history. But on All Saints' Day, we don't just remember them, we remember other people too. The people who we know, who have inspired us by the way in which they live their life, the way in which they follow God. So on this All Saints' Day, we remember the people whose lives inspire us. So you might like to take a moment just to have a think of someone whose life inspires you for All Saints. Now, in a moment, Mr. Daggett is going to teach us a hymn, O Thou who at thy Eucharist didst pray. And in the hymn, we remember the importance of the Eucharist or Holy Communion in our lives, because when we celebrate the Eucharist, we join in this great feast with all the saints above.
Today's hymn has music by Orlando Gibbons, and it's called Song 1. Who wrote it? Orlando Gibbons, that's right. Well, let's warm up our voices before we look at it. Shoulders up to your ears. Relax your shoulders. Rub your face like a horse. Brrr, your turn. Brrr. Hands into a diamond. Turn the diamond round. Pop it on your tummy. Shh, shh, your turn. Shh, my turn. Here's the first line of Gibbons' Song 1. We're going to sing it to Yah, and we will get higher each time we repeat it. Are we ready? Let's sit up. Yah, 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 Yah. Your turn. Yah, 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 Yah. Let's get higher. Breathe. Yah, 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 Yah. Next one. Well done. One more. Well done, everybody. Now let's sing the whole tune to Yah. When you're singing it, see if you can notice any patterns in the tune. Each note that you hear is a different note on the page, so that's one way of following it. Music goes from left to right. You can always wind this bit back if you need to have another listen before you join in with our Vicar's Choral. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yah, 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 Yah. Breathe. Yah, 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 Yah. Breathe again. Yah, 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 Yah. Yah, 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 Yah. Yah, 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 Yah. Yah, 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 Yah. Well done. Now let's have a look at the words. You can pause the video here and read them through together as a class. And now we're ready to sing this hymn with our Vicar's Choral. Sit up, smile, and enjoy.